friends, welcome to my channel Engineering All in One. So today we are going to see MCQs on the directive principles of state policy. Here is my channel Engineering All in One. You are requested to subscribe it. Now coming to the question number 1. DPSP is mentioned in dash part of the Indian Constitution. Part 3, Part 4, Part 5, Part 6. The correct option is option number 2, Part 4. Question number 2 is which group of the Indian Constitution contains DPSP? 36 to 51, 24 to 36, 30 to 48, 23 to 33. The correct option is option number 1, 36 to 51. Now one more question, question number 3. Which of the following article of the Constitution is directed to the establishment of the Uniform Civil Code? Article 42, Article 42, Article 44, Article 45 and Article 43. The correct option is option number 2, Article 44. Question number 4 is which of the following DPSP were added later? Promotion of education and interests of SC/ST, minimize inequalities in income, secure participation of workers in management of industries. A little mistake is here in the spelling. Words have got displaced. Management is here of industries and all the above. The correct option is option number D. Now one more question. Question number 5 is the idea of DPSP was borrowed from the Constitution of UK, USA, France and Ireland. And the correct option is option number 4, Ireland. And Ireland also borrowed this idea of DPSP from the Constitution of dash. We will see later on from which country. Organization of Agriculture and Animal Husbandry deals with Article 40, Article 48, Article 44, Article 47. The correct option is option number B, Article 48. Question number 7 is who called DPSP novel futures? B.R. Ambedkar, M.N. Roy, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and none. The correct option is option number B, first, B.R. Ambedkar. Now one more question. Which committee suggested 2 category of individual writers? Saparu Committee, Ashok Mehta Committee, G.V.K. Rao Committee and none. The correct option is option number 1, Saparu Committee in 1945. I request you, if you find any kind of mistake in my video, I request you sincerely, please and please comment so that I can rectify myself. I will be sincerely thankful to you. Now question number 9 is article dash deals with the Uniform Civil Code. We have discussed it already yet. Article 44 deals with the Uniform Civil Code. Question number 10 is which of the following type of principles are embedded in the DPSP? Economic theory, social theory, administrative principle and all the above. The correct option is option number D, all the above. Question number 11 is who among the following said this? DPSP are like a check on the bank, payable at the convenience of bank. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Ambedkar, K.M. Munshi, Professor K.T. Shah. The correct option is option number D, Professor K.T. Shah. Now one more question, question number 12. Which of the following Indian Constitution inspires the establishment of the social system? Fundamental rights, directive principles, citizenship, none. The correct option is option number B, directive principles. Question number 13 is the directions of the welfare of state are described as ideal in DPSP, fundamental rights, preamble of the Constitution and none. The correct option is option number 1, DPSP. And which article deals with it? We will see in the coming MCQ. As per DPSP, children up to which age are expected to give free and compulsory education? The correct option is, the options are 14 years, 16 years, 15 years, 13 years. The correct option is option number 1, 14 years. Now one more question. Which amendment of the Indian Constitution Act has given priority to DPSP on fundamental rights in the event of conflict? In the event of conflict, the correct option is option number B, Article 42. Now one more question, question number 16. In which article of the Constitution is provisional of equal justice and free legal aid? Article 39, Article 39A, Article 43, Article 43A. The correct option is option number B, Article 39. Question number 17 is the right to work is placed under which one of the following in the DPSP? The correct option is Article 37, Article 38, Article 41, Article 40. The correct option is option number C for Article 41. Article 41 is the correct option. The right to work is placed under the Article 41. We will see later on a trick to remember the DPSP. I am coming up with a new video. In that video, we will discuss a trick to remember the DPSP. Which of the following article under Part IV contain DPSP that include scope of Gandhian principles? Article 40, 43, 44, Article 40, 48, 47, Article 40 only, and none. The correct option is option number B. Now one more question, question number 19. India copied idea of DPSP from Irish, and Irish copied the idea of DPSP from which constitution? USA, Italy, UK, and Spanish. The correct option is option number D. Spanish. Spanish. They copied it from Spanish. Now question number 20 is DPSP are justiciable, non-justiciable, both, and none. The correct option is option number B, non-justiciable. Question number 20 is which of the following is not included in the DPSP? Prohibition of alcohol, right to work, civil court, right to information. All the three except the one are included in the DPSP, Directive Principles of State Policy. This is also included, this is also included, this is also included, this is not included in DPSP. Now question number 22 is the concept of welfare state is described in which article under Indian Constitution? Article 36, Article 38, Article 46, Article 45. The correct option is option number B, Article 48. Who described DPSPs and fundamental rights as consequence of Constitution? Granville Austin, P.T. Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Ambedkar. The correct option is option number 1, Granville Austin. If there is any kind of error or mistake in while pronouncing the words, I am sincerely sorry for that. Question number 24. The purpose of inclusion of DPSP in Indian Constitution is to establish political democracy, social and economic democracy, and D is the none. The correct option is option number C, social and economic democracy. Question number 25 is separation of judiciary from the executive has been provided in which article? In which article? Article 50, Article 51, Article 49, Article 48. The correct option is option number 1, Article 50. Question number 26 is which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the constitution of the Panchayati Raj? Article 43, Article 40, Article 49, Article 50. Article 40 is the correct option. Now one more question, question number 27 is which of the following article of DPSP deals with the promotion of internal peace and security? Article 50, Article 51, Article 48, Article 49. The correct option is option number B, Article 51. In which case the Supreme Court, Article 50, first is the Article 50 that deals with the separation of the judiciary from the executive. Then comes the 51 that deals with the peace and security. Now question number 28 is in which case the Supreme Court held the harmony and the balance between the fundamental and DPSP is the basic feature of Indian Constitution. Bureau Ban Union case, Kesu Nanda Bharti versus State Kerala, Meena Rava Millers versus Union of India. The correct option is option number C. These two were related to the fundamental rights. Now question number 29. The term equal pay for equal work is a DPSP. Fundamental duty, fundamental right, and constitutional right. The correct option is option number 1, DPSP. Directive Principle State. Now question number 30 is the right sequence of the directive principle is protection of the interest of weaker sections, public assistance to sick people, human establishment at the workplace and establishment of the cooperative society. Once you I am sure that you have first clear the topic, and then you have come here for the MCQs. And while when we see which article has come first, and when we give them the order and sequence, we come to know that the right option is option number D. Option number D. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1.